pondered over the mystery that is division in mathematics? It's a question that deserves an answer. Today, we unravel the steps, the logic, and the beauty that underpins the concept of division. Division, in its barest essence, is the process of splitting an amount into equal parts. Think about dividing a pizza amongst friends or splitting the day into hours. Division is everywhere once you start to look. To understand division, think of it as the opposite of multiplication. If you multiply 3 by 4, you get 12. But what if you have 12 and want to return to the original 3? That's where division comes into play. So, how does division actually work? Imagine you have 20 pieces of candy and you want to divide them equally among 5 friends. How many pieces does each friend get? The first step is to distribute the candies one by one to each friend until there are none left. After distributing all 20 candies, you'll realize that each friend has received 4 candies. That's the essence of division. You have divided 20 candies by 5 friends and found out that each friend gets 4 candies. In mathematical terms, you have divided 20 by 5 to get 4. However, what if the number you're trying to divide isn't neatly divisible by the divisor? Let's say you have 7 candies and 3 friends. If you distribute the candies one by one to each friend, you'll find that each friend gets 2 candies, but there's 1 candy left over. This leftover, in mathematical terms, is called the remainder. So in this case, when you divide 7 by 3, the answer is 2 with a remainder of 1. To summarize, division is the process of distributing a number into equal parts. It's the opposite of multiplication. When dividing, distribute the number one by one until there are none left. The number of times you can do this is the answer. If there's anything left over, that's called the remainder. Remember, division is not just a mathematical concept. It's a way of thinking about distributing resources equally. It's a concept that has practical applications in our everyday lives. From splitting a pizza amongst friends to dividing the day into hours, division is a fundamental concept that helps us understand and navigate the world around us. So, the next time you're faced with a division problem, remember these steps. Start by distributing one by one, count how many times you can do this, and don't forget about the remainder. Division, it turns out, is not so mysterious after all.